how to change app language on YouTube. So if I go on YouTube settings over here, what it's going to tell me is it's going to tell me like this. If I click on app language, it's going to tell me this. So what I need to do is change my entire phone's language, and by default YouTube's language will be changed. So for that I need to open my settings. And from here at the top, just click on it and write language language, and click on the second option called language under accessibility. And at the bottom it says available for download. So any language you want to use, you have to first download it. So click on it and click on download and wait for some time until the language downloads. Now once the language is downloaded, over here you guys can see if I click on language, it's going to show me Japan. I can click on Japan and my language will be turned to Japan as well, but I'm just going to choose English. But now that's for voice control. Now to change the language, like the overall language, what you can do is on search, you can just again search for language, but this time you want to click on language and region settings. From over here, what you can do is click on add language and choose any language you want and click on use that language. If I click on use Spanish, everything in my device is going to be converted to Spanish. But right now I don't want to do that because I don't know Spanish, so I don't know how to change it back to English. So that's basically how you guys can change your device language. In turn, it's going to change your YouTube's language. Hope you understand. Subscribe.